for the formal opening of this program, we may call in our very own Mr. Brian Joshua C. Adlao for his welcome address. Let's give him a round of applause. Right. Wow, ang galing naman. Study. So these are wheels. Dump truck, no? I think I studied with Roland. He's very talented. Good job! Let's give him a big hand. Very study. So let's follow the intermission number of our preschoolers. And the title, this is going to be a dula. And the title is Message to be Given by our Talawag, Honorable Rosalia A. Cartomo.
Magbiling sa ka, naday nasulat ito.
This time, we're going to have another presentation from our Aisha Brody Aliado and all in Medicaid Face City.
Mga bata sa linya, all the way live. Dahil kay Aisha at